What do you want to buy?
Everything.
Want to buy everything?
Yeah.
But you need money to buy everything.
And I want Robux.
Want Robux?
Yeah, 99 Robux.
Why do you want 99 Robux?
Because I like it.
But we cannot buy Robux because Robux is expensive. And we need the money to buy food. We need we need the money. We need to save money so we can go. Where are we going?
I don't want to go.
You don't want to go?
Yeah, anywhere.
You just want to stay home?
Yeah,
Why?
because I don't like going anywhere.
You don't like going anywhere? Okay. Let's just stay here in the house.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you tired? Hmm?
Yeah, because I want Robux.
Okay, but we're not gonna buy Robux.
Mm.
I'll buy you other toys, but not Robux because if we buy Robux, we're going to waste our money.
Please.
Okay, it's okay. Just stop crying. Stop crying. And stop crying. Are you a good boy?
But I want Robux.
Okay. When you become 18, then you can buy Robux. Okay? But not when you're 5.
And to be 18, not 5. Why am I still 5? I want to be 18.
You want to be 18 years old na?
Yeah, but I want to be 5.
You don't like to be 5?
Yeah.
You'll be 6 next year. And then you'll be 7 the following year. So, how many more years to go before you turn 18? There are 13 more years. You need 13 more years.
I only have 10 more years.
You need 10 more years to be 18?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Kuya Tantan only needs 10 more years to be 18.
I
Because
want to be 18.
you'll be 18 soon.